supposed to leave today to go towards Seattle. Not going to happen. The airbag on my truck is popped, so I need a new airbag. The high-low hooked to my truck, I'm being told that I need to get weight distribution hitch and sway bar. So I've got someone checking into that for me. And the brakes on the trailer are not playing nice with my truck. I don't know if it's just not reading it. I don't know. But here's the high-low, and how you can see how it kind of sits crooked. I mean, it's not bad, but the front end of the truck is going up quite a bit. So I got to get those repairs done. I had a new tire for a spare put on. Tomorrow I'm supposed to go have new tires put all the way around just to be safe, because they're 6 years old, I think. And I'd rather be freaked out over paying to put new tires on than freaked out because I'd had a blowout. Yeah, so I don't think I'll be leaving tomorrow. Okay. So much for leaving for tomorrow. Anyway, I will talk with you guys later. Bye.